answer. Sound can travel through option D, solid, liquids and gases, right? In solid it is maximum, then liquids and then least in, right? Second question, uh, which of the following voices is likely to have minimum frequency? Baby girl, baby boy, a man and a woman. So minimum frequency, that is of a man, right? And maximum frequency, if we are talking about maximum frequency, that is of a woman, right? Now in the following statements, tick T against those which are true and F against those which are false. Sound cannot travel in vacuum, it is true, right? Here it is true, so first is true. The number of oscillations per second of vibrating object is called its time period, it is false, it is called frequency, right? If the amplitude of vibration is large, sound is feeble, it is also false, because amplitude depending on the loudness. For human ears, the audible range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, it is true, right? So it is true. The lower the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch. No, it is false. If lower is the frequency, lower is the pitch. Unwanted or unpleasant sound is termed as music. Again, it is false. It is called noise. Noise pollution may cause partial hearing impairment. It is true, right? Now fill in the blanks with suitable words. First, time taken. Time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called its time period. So first answer is time period. Loudness is determined by the dash of vibration, by the amplitude of the vibration. The unit of frequency is Hertz, Hz, or meter inverse. Unwanted sound is called noise. Shrillness of sound is determined by the here frequency of vibration. So shrillness of sound is determined by the frequency of vibration, frequency, right? A pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period and frequency. Okay, so 40 times in 4 seconds. So 40 times in 4 seconds. So one time, how many seconds? So 1 into 4 upon 40. So this gives us 1 upon 10, and that is in second. That is our time period. So this is time period. T is equal to 0.1 second, right? And to find frequency f is equal to 1 upon time period. So that will be 10 Hertz. So frequency is 10 Hertz and time period is 0.1 second. Now sixth one, the sound from a mosquito is produced when it vibrates its wings at average of rate of 500 vibrations per second. So frequency we have 500 Hertz. What is the time period of the vibration? Simple, T is equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon 500. So it is 0.1232 second, right? So that is the answer, that is the time period here, right? Now then next, identify the part which vibrates to produce sound in the following instruments. First, dholak. So that is air membrane, right? So here stretch membrane. So dholak works of stretch membrane, right? सो क्योंकि ढोलक को आपने देखा होगा कि एक जो चमड़े का जो लेयर होता है उसको स्ट्रेच किया होता है और फिर उसको वाइब्रेट करने से उससे आवाज़ निकलती है। तो ढोलक बजने के पीछे स्ट्रेच मेम्ब्रेन काम करता है। सितार, तो वहाँ पर स्ट्रेच स्ट्रिंग होती है, राइट? स्ट्रिंग की वजह से सितार बजता है, हम उसको वाइब्रेट करवाते हैं, सॉरी हियर स्ट्रिंग वाइब्रेशन से, फिर तो वहाँ पर स्ट्रेच स्ट्रिंग का यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग। और फ्लूइड में एयर कॉलम का यूज़ होता है, अलग अलग एयर को मतलब वहाँ पर जो होल्स होते हैं उसको अलग अलग तरीके से एडजस्ट करने से फ्लूट बजता है, राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नॉइज एंड म्यूजिक? कैन म्यूजिक बिकम नॉइज समटाइम्स? ओके, so noise is unwanted unbearable sound, that is called noise, and music, that is bearable sound, right? Noise loudness is so much high, but music is soft, its loudness is very limited, right? So that is the difference. Main difference between them is loudness. If high loud, if music is louder than the some limit, then it will become noise. So yes, music can become noise when it is very loud, right? Then least source of new noise pollution in your surroundings, first of all vehicles, then factories, industries, right? And some sirens, train sirens, right? That fire brigade sirens. So many noise pollutions are there in your surroundings. Explain in what way noise pollution is harmful to humans. तो पहले तो ह्यूमंस के लिए वो हमारे जो हियर कैपेसिटी है उसको डैमेज कर देती है, राइट. एंग्जाइटी ला सकती है, मूड चेंज, हियर इम्पेयरमेंट, राइट. तो ये सभी डैमेजेस नॉइस पॉल्यूशन से हो सकते हैं, राइट. देन 11, your parents are going to buy a house. They have been offered one of the roadside and another 3 lanes away from the roadside. Which house would you suggest your parents should buy? Explain your answer. So 3 lanes away from the roadside, 3 lane away from the roadside. Why? Because if you buy that house which is on the roadside, then many vehicles are going through day and night, so it will cause noise. So because of so much noise you will get that damages which is from previous questions. एंग्जाइटी हो सकती है, फिर हियरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट हो सकता है, सुनाई ना देना, राइट. तो पेरेंट्स को आप ये सजेस्ट करोगे तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि रोड साइड लेने से व्हीकल की जब ट्रक जाएगी, बड़ी कार जाएगी, तो वहाँ पर आवाज़ बहुत ही आएगी, नॉइस पॉल्यूशन बहुत ही होगा. देन 12th, स्केच लिरिक्स एंड एक्सप्लेन इट्स फंक्शन इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योर इन फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक. Now 13, lightning and thunder take place in the sky at the same time and at the same distance from us. Lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. Can you explain? Yes, lightning is seen earlier. Why? Because light speed, कितनी है लाइट स्पीड? तो वो है 3 × 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड. और जो साउंड स्पीड है वो एयर में कितनी है? तो वो है एयर में लगभग 346 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो कौन ज़्यादा है? लाइट ज़्यादा स्पीड से जाती है, बहुत ही लार्ज वैल्यू है, और साउंड की जो स्पीड है वो बहुत ही छोटी वैल्यू है. तो लाइट हमें पहले दिखाई देगी और साउंड बाद में सुनाई देगा. ये जो चीज़ होती है वो सिमिलरली गन फायरिंग में भी सेम चीज़ होती है. पहले जब गन फायरिंग होती है तो पहले हमें दिखाई देता है और फिर बाद में सुनाई देता है. फायर क्रैकर्स में भी सेम चीज़ होता है. जब कोई रॉकेट फूटता है, राइट, तो पहले वो हमें दिखाई देता है फूटना, और फिर वो हमें सुनाई देता है, क्योंकि ये दोनों स्पीड अलग अलग है.